Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A22 5G, and today I will show you how you can adjust notification bar shortcuts. So we have to open notification bar. Here we got our shortcuts, and if you want to change position of this shortcut, move for the right side and click on the plus. Right now you can easily remove icons or add additional icons. For example, if you want to remove this application, click hold and then put it here. If you want to add additional icons like NFC model, click hold and then drag it in this place. If you want to remove the do not disturb mode, just do the same. Or if you want to move it for the first list, just like that, and then click done to confirm. As you can see, it's finished. So it was very simple, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel.